Good morning. It's Christmas morning. And here's all these blues that are playing with some of their toys, or at least two of them anyways. That's Midnight with the tree on his head. Yep, he just took off with the other one. That one there's Stormy, little girl, one of our girls. And then,
Frosty and Sugar.
yeah, I'm trying to tell which one's which.
That's
okay.
Sugar.
That's Sugar right there now with
That's
next
Frosty.
to Stormy. And Frosty's over there by Mama's foot playing with a ball.
Now we got a fish.
Oh, he's got a stuffed fish. Okay. Anyways, they playing with their new toys. That one's Frosty playing with the fish, going off. And then just about everybody else over here playing with the Christmas tree Mom's got on a little elastic string. I don't know. That one's Midnight, who's got it now with the white tipping on his ears.
Sugar.
Yeah, one's Sugar.
Stormy.
And then Stormy on her back. And there's Freckles, one of our other queens. And there's Lily Bell, our big kitten, who's 10 weeks old, weighs almost 10 pounds. And that's Bella, their mama, right there. Hey, Bella, leave Rainbow alone. But just thought everyone would enjoy watching the kids play with their new toys. So they broke the toy. But hope everybody had a Merry Christmas. And this is J&A Muffins and our All These Blues Slitter. Bye.